Jersey number 15. No good nakuha ni jersey number 4. Pass to Yogi. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 11 again. No good nakuha ni jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Easy to force by jersey number 29. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 12. Ujian easy 2 points by jersey number 12. Jersey number 15. Naghahanap ng pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 outside. Mapupunta ang oras. Jersey number 3 pass to Lionel Easy 2 points. Layola, nagkakaroon ng bola Layola. Pass to jersey number 12. No good pass to Layola. Get the basket. May kasamang foul by jersey number 11. Lahat po ng tao sa gate, pumasok na lang daw po kayo. Layola, pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Nakita si Layola. Layola, no Layola again. Easy 2 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Easy 2 points. Easy basket. Easy movement again para jersey number 7. Ang score natin ay 11-7 lamang. Jersey number 29, no good. Not money. Layola. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 7 for the 3. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 again. Pass to jersey number 15. Simple. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 again. Pass to jersey number 7. Take the 3. Jersey number 1, pass to Layola. Layola, Alcantara. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 13. Pass to Layola. Pass to Melendez. Pass to Lito. 3 seconds violation. Timeline. 15 all. Jersey number 7 on the ball, pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 nakakada. Ngunit may foul. Who's called right? First team foul. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Easy football by jersey number 4. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 to play. Pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 29 na Raja. No good naman ni jersey number 12. Jersey number 7, 15 seconds. Pass to jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 7. 10 seconds to play. Take the 3. No goal in jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to
lead by the Big Nice selection.
Jersey number 11. Jersey number 16, kakalma, jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 16 again, pass to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 16. Nagutalo na naman ni jersey number 8. Pass to Lito. Lito pass. Watch by jersey number 8. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 7.
21-16.
Jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 25. Back to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. 2 points by jersey number 3.
Okay, 25-16.
Jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 3. Sidestep. Jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 23. No good. Gulangan talo na naman ni jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 11. Take the 3. No good na. Jersey number 3.
30-18. 12-point lead by the selection ng Big Nine.
Jersey number 11, class 2. Jersey number 25, jersey number 25. Foul. Who's following? Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. First personal foul, first team foul.
2 minutes and 27 seconds to play.
Paano? Baka na-step.
Now on jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Hindi na naman gagawin. Jersey number 3. Nagkahanap na ako ng jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Muna naman ang jersey number 11. Ngunit may foul.
Okay. 2 minutes and 10 seconds to play.
Jersey number 11. Take the 3. No good. Gulangala ko ng jersey number 25. Foul! Who's calling? Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 11 pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Wala. Easy 2 points by jersey number 16.
Palakpakan po natin ang magdating na ating former Councilor Tyson C.
Jersey number 16 nagmamadali. Easy. Jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 5. Take that 2. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Nakita si jersey number 10. Nakita si jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Ito na ang pasayte. Ngunit may foul. Who's following? Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
1 minute and 11 seconds to play. Score 30-24.
Jersey number 7. Umiko po ang kagabi. Kung paano na naman ito. Pass to jersey number 10. Ngunit may foul. Who's following? Jersey number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul. Score natin ay 32-25. Lamang ng 7. Jersey number 16. Sumubok ng 3. Ngunit ako ni jersey number 3. Jersey number 16. Umiko jersey number 16. Kaya ngunit may foul. Who's following?
Seconds to play. 32-27 score. 32-27, favor of Big Nine selection.
Who's calling?
11.3
10 seconds to open the play. No, not the jersey number 28. 5 seconds. Take the 3. Jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 10 again. Jersey number 10. Kakalma, pass to jersey number 13. Pumuuna ng 3. Nagunta ko na jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Galing din, take the 3. Rapid. Nagunta ko na yung Layola. Pass to Aki again. Nagunta ko na jersey number. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 1 again. Pass to jersey number 10. No good. Jersey number 2. Pass to Galines. Galines. Pass to Rapid. Jersey number. Jersey number 1. Foul. Who's foul it? Jersey number 10, kalma. Jersey number 10 again. Pass to jersey number 29. Ulit may foul. Foul. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, size 10. Leon over jersey number 4. Layola. Take that 2. Basket, this is 2 points by jersey number 1. Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 11, pass to outside ng unang bola sa Big Night. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pass to Rabi. Jersey number 1, pass to Galines.
Minutes and 28 seconds to play.
Jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pukul ng toss, easy 2 points. Jersey number 1, jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 10, easy basket. Jersey number 28, nagunawin jersey number 4. Layola, pass to Galines. Easy 2 points by jersey number 1. Oras natin ay 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Jersey number 1. Foul.
Basket count, Anderson foul. Foul number, right,
Foul jersey number number 12.
1 minute,
Jersey number 13, foul.
1 minute and 25 seconds to play.
Jersey number 4, pass to Rabi. Rabi releasing points by jersey number 11.
All 42.
Jersey number 29, no goal on it. Jersey number 4, Galides, Paul, Tres. No goal. Iska. Laviola, Munero, jersey number 10. 50 seconds. Jersey number 10. 30 seconds, jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. 20 seconds. Pass to Laiola. 10 seconds. Five seconds. No goal on jersey number 12. Pass to Galides. Pass to Rico Lopez. Rico Boys.
Ay, ito po, okay.
Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 25. Foul. Foul. Jersey number. Pass to jersey number 10. Finishing points by jersey number 10. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 7. No goal on jersey number. Jersey number 10. Pass to Laviola. Laviola pass to jersey number 5. Easy basket by jersey number 5. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 6. Kumuha lang 3. No goal na kuha ni. Jersey number 4. Laviola. Laviola. Nakuha jersey number 7. Pass to Laviola. Pass to jersey number 7. 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 10. Balik by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 5. Racket by jersey number 7. Napasipot mo. Push ball rep. Jersey number 15. First team foul.
Nice selection.
Jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Get the basket, make it some of a foul. Foul, jersey number 4. Penalty.
3 minutes and 25 seconds to play. Para matapos ang ating second quarter.
15, pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, foul. Not counted. Foul, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, first personal foul. Penalty.
Yung mga nasa pinto po, pakiusap po, pasok tayo sa loob. Wala pong bayad, libre po yan, hindi naman natin yung t-shirt. Sige na po, pasok po kayo. At meron kayong raffle entry.
Japan.
Violation po, entry Tucson. Sa pauli, huwag po lang kayo papasok ang hindi inahagis ang bola. Yan. Magaling nyo muna mahagis yung bola bago kayo bola.
Nakuha ng jersey number 25. Jersey number 75. Jersey number 10.
3 minutes to play.
Jersey number 16. Talo na ako ng jersey number 4. Layola. Layola. Outside.
Score 55-54.
Jersey number 6. Pakal mo, jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 50. Pass to jersey number 7.
Backing. Muli po ang kanyang raffle.
Jersey number 5. Pupul Lopez. 3 points. Jersey number 16.
2 points lang yan, 2 points.
Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 again. Jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number jersey number jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 25. Easy basket to jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 5, 16 points. Jersey number
2 minutes to play.
jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Easy 2 points by jersey number 10. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 6. Sumubok na 3. Wala ko na jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 5. Take that through. Easy 2 points.
63-55.
Jersey number 6.
Dito na po ang laman.
Jersey number 6 ako. Wala na nakakasipan ko. Layo na aakata. Wala na jersey number. Jersey number 5. In the basket. Number 5. Time out.
Escape. Sakto 10.
Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, dribble the ball. Jersey number 16. Take the no jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 5. Wala. Jersey number 5. Who's scoring?
magandang gabi sa ating Pwede Salida, Tamboneros. Yan.
Oras natin ay 45 seconds. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 25.
Sagasa and Jordan Nacion, happy birthday!
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 3. Take the turno. Butalo na din mo na ulit jersey number. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. And ball. Jersey number. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to you. Take that turno. Butalo na din mo ulit jersey number 3. Wala na din mo ulit jersey number. Jersey number 10. Kanina din yung nasa gate. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, first personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Sasagasa, wala, tinapos. Jersey number 3. Ano yung price? Jersey number 3. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, Sasagasa. Jersey number 1, dribble the ball, naghahanap ng kamuha. Jersey number 1, upistak. Ulit may foul. Who's for left? Jersey number 2. Number 2, RD4, graduate.
Time left. Mahaba pa. Score, 74-63.
Jersey number 7.
Sampu na lang.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Take that 3. No good now. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Napakawado na naman. Jersey number 1. Napakawado. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1.
Foul number
Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. jersey number outside seconds. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 in the wall. Jersey number 3 pass to again. Take that three. Get the basket like the sound of foul. Foul jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, second personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, napakalmado. Ngunit,
Same ball.
pass to jersey number 10. Sumubok ng tries, no good. Nawala jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, pass to dito. Jersey number 11, pass to. 11, all the tries. Nawala ulit, jersey number 7. Easy 2 points. Time out. Pull up.
Time out.
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 25. Easy 2 points for jersey number 25. Jersey number 27. Pass to Nakita. Jersey number 27. Pass to Majestic. Galitas. Pass to Happy. All the place. 3 points. Jersey number. Pass to Lucas, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, wake up, pass to the ball. Jersey number 3, jersey number 3. Jersey number 7, jersey number 3. Jersey number 1, jersey number 3. Jersey number 1, you will get back. Jersey number 3. 8 seconds yata. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, 5 seconds yata. Easy 2 points by jersey number 8. Remaining time. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 25. Size them. Wala lang ang jersey number. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 3. 3 points. Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Jersey number 25 needs to outside single.
Time left, 4 minutes and 43 seconds to play. 88-7 goal score.
Jersey number 16. Lumalakas. Fabulous violation by jersey number 4.
Kapag na lang.
Jersey number 20 now, jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, sumalaksak, easy 4 points. Substitution right?
76.
Jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. Sumalaksak, jersey number 4. Back to jersey number 2. Back to jersey number 10. Back to jersey number 5. Easy 2 points by jersey number 5.
Pwede na ang naman.
Jersey number 1 pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 outside. Jersey number 16. Now on the jersey number 2 with my foul. Jersey number 16 pass to jersey number 1 for Coste. Jersey number 1 malasyak ulit na kalawan ulit may foul. Who's foul it? And second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Time left, 2 minutes and 38 seconds para mo sa ating third quarter. Score 96-79.
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 16. Sumubok na 3. 3 points by jersey number 16. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 5. By jersey number 3. Breathing time 1 minute and 55 seconds. 3 points.
Seconds to play. Score 100 versus 85. 50-point lead by Big Nice Selection.
Wala na may jersey number. Jersey number 4 Layola. Layola, wala na mas patuloy. Sumubok na 3. Sumubok. Now may jersey number. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Get the basket like a sound power.
Okay. 1 minute and 15 seconds to play. Bukasin nyo na.
1 minute and 15 seconds. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to Layola. Step out on the knees into pass by jersey number 4. Jersey number 16. Dribble the ball. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Number 5. Jersey number 6. Pass to Layola. Pass to jersey number 5. You see the road. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to Nico. Remaining time, 30 seconds. Jersey number 25, pass to jersey number 6, Bumabol ng 3. Nagulong jersey number 25 again. Please, 20 seconds to play.
Seconds to play.
Jersey number 3. 5 seconds. Bumabol ng 3. Nagulong jersey number 10. Of the third quarter.
Score 105, 90, 15 points lead by Big Nine Selection. Ay po sa labas, dahil magkamay po sa atin.
Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Dribble ball pass to Yogi. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Long number pass to jersey number 7. Moving on sa malampas. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, dribble ball. Jersey number 10, group power. Easy. 1 minute, number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, balik balik. Points. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Good job, Nogroni, jersey number. Jersey number 1 again. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. No, Butalo ng Gulong jersey number 10. Jersey number 11, jersey number 6. No, Butalo ng Gulong jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to Gulong, pass to jersey number 7. Here's your 2 points. Jersey number 6, good job. Jersey number 10.
Big Nine Selection. Ang oras natin, 8 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Ang score, 178 versus 90. Show na lang po ang lamangan. Nakagawa nila ng single number ang lamang ng Big Nine Selection. Ay, syempre po, sa mga may hawak ng ating Raffle Stag, pakihulog na ninyo.
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 na offensive foul by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 again, pass to jersey number 11. Wow! In the basket, magkakasama mo na.
Umabot po ang ating SQP. Ano mo lang?
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Ay, to shoot. Jersey number 1. Bumili lang, please. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 again. Jersey number 7, Calmado, jersey number 7, crossover, side deck, jersey number 7 again, foul! Who's falling? Jersey number 10, pulls it.
Okay, so time out. Time out!
Ano ba time out nila? Ganun lang yung time out. Ito pa? Ano na lang?
Ang score natin, 107, 104. Tatlo na lang po ang lamang ng next selection. 7 minutes and 30 seconds to play.
Jersey number 3, pass. Jersey number 3 again. Jersey number 2. Second pass, jersey number 7. Easy 2 points by jersey number 7. Jersey number 10. Nakagad lang. Jersey number 3. Second pass, ngunit may tawag. Jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 10 again. No, por tal no la bola jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, inaakasiman. Pass to Loyola. Easy 2 points.
Ito ulit ang lamang.
Jersey number 6. Pass to Nagari, jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 12. Foul. Get the basket, nagkasama mo foul. Foul, jersey number 6. Jersey number 6.
Sampu ulit ang lamang. Dupit na kanina. Tatlo.
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, jersey 4. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 11. Ball na press. 3 points. Jersey number 16. Remaining time 6 minutes. Exactly. Jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. 6 points. Jersey number 29. Umikot, jersey number 29. Yung tayo ng buwan, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pasu tayo, malayo, to the next. Easy big ones by jersey number 7. Jersey number 10.
5 minutes to play.
Jersey number 10, the good boy. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, crossover pass to. Jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Well, jersey number 10. Layola, pass to Rico. Jersey number 1, pass to Layola. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 7. Well, jersey number 10. Pass to Layola. Layola, side back. 3 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 14. Foul, jersey number 16. Starting now with jersey number 7. Senior ball shot to the left. Foul. Who's ball left? Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Ang ating pong basketball ay laban sa droga hanggang sa atin ang ating congressman.
Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 9, senior number 3. No good na wala jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, to the ball. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, jersey number 7. Receive 2 points by jersey number 7.
Boy, ayun na boy. Boy.
Jersey number 5. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 9. Papawin ng 3. No, jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 5, pumukol ng 3. Rebound! Jersey number 16, hindi magpapatalo, pumukol ng 3.
Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes!
Jersey number 3. No, jersey number Easy 2 points.
One minute and 30 seconds to play.
3 points.
Ayan, nakamay mo ah.
Hindi magkakabalo rin. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Ay, siyempre, narito na rin po. Ano naman, tayo mo isa naman. Narito na po ang ating magiging